Carolina. Jamie Harrison is the guy that's running against Lindsey Graham. And there are commercials being run on TV, and the theme of the commercial is what's happened to Lindsey Graham. And they actually show you, among other conservatives, talking about Lindsey Graham. And I've been a 29-year listener, so I know the context, and the context has